This is the Quadraplex exercise. I like this because it engages the entire full body. You're doing your upper body, your core, and your lower body. So what we're going to do is we're going to come into tabletop just like this, and then we're going to extend one arm out, one leg out. So you're going to extend it long, so take that hand and the toes and stretch, and then we're going to bring it back. Stretch it long, bring it back. Long, bring it back. This is going to build strength in our core and also our upper body, our entire back, and our glutes. So it's going to look something like this. Bring it out, in, or you can extend your toe long and your hand, grab a weight, an ankle weight, and you're going to go up, down, up, down, up. And then you want to make sure you do it on the other side as well. Make sure you're even. So slow and controlled, or you can bend, out, in, out, in. And there you have it, a full body workout, and that's the Quadraplex.